Idwe pesa lito. Isawani dis kanu idwe luatukot na kaintare o primary ai boikin Aingito kech na washa eshisha kesi lolo adaon ai sinapikin au misho kano aswama Aingito ngin.
But it is the same things, the same papers. The smell, they say that the children always fall sick because the papers smell in a scary way and it gives the children fever. I don't think it will give us fever here because we have smelled so many peppers before.
Aingito na ekarukalo nesi epote idwelo atukot na kaintare ai tegara ai wadik atupuruchu na moi keda papla na aimar keda SST
language from mathematics, and the language is improper behavior. For instance, making noise in an examination room. So making noise is a sign of indiscipline.
Ko Pioneer Primary School ko ibuga Soroti nesi wadi kauna idwe luwe dolete akwata ngon kolo muntu koto mosemero ikanyare luko ibuga Soroti kwa peda iyata kitor apolone semero Alfred Enyido
senda ji isomero ne peta ikanyare lepore maebo ikinine parents Soroti parents jai Pioneer jai Grace Hill jai Saint Martha jane vekre Chilton jakre Faith Christian kede Shalom so munu kere pote ay boy kinane ibuna disani kanyana la rap tukono e jaba me doritos so mami ateni sana ni kapa kena so kapa somero idoda e jaba me doritos ikapa kena aina kendo lo anyam ido generally idauto aina kene kese briefing le dolit
Koteso Boarding Primary School neda wadikat idwe akasa kanyangon alu kanyangon nesi keuntor apol ne semero Moses Otim Ebe.
Once we equip you, you are a well-prepared child. You will live and you will not be a person that say, did I brief you? In this event, it is fully the responsibility of the head teacher, the teachers, to see to it that you are briefed. You are what?
Esisha luda kapakena ai boykina Aingito ngin kesi ya potu ikeuntuno ta.
Teachers have encouraged us there should not be examination malpractice, and we are already organized and ready to pass the PLE. Not to overrun and not to be scared, because this is a normal examination. Others have done it and others are yet to do.
They have given us a very good content. We are very ready for this examination and we promise to register good Division 1s.
Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.
Number one in math is always plus.